In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under financing business. We're going to focus on the subtopic source of finance. Alright, so we have about 18 to 20 questions to practice. So let's get started. The first question here says a source of business financing which involves pledging of a specific asset is the right answer is option B, which is mortgage. Okay. Next question is this one. It says a business organization can obtain long-term financing through bank overdraft where they change credit purchase, the sales of share. The right answer is option D, the sale of shares. Okay, next question. Treasury bills are where capital market instruments, money market instruments issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria, always sold at a face value. Right answer is option B, money market instruments. Okay, next question in this one, it says loan schemes by three societies are where mortgage schemes, conventional scheme, unconventional scheme, mutual scheme. Right answer is option D, they are mutual schemes. Okay, next question. This one, it says a financial instrument for borrowing in which the collateral is usually more than the amount borrowed is a mortgage bond. Option C. Okay, next question says the major function of the development banks is to provide advances for trade, encourage savings among the low income group of the society, provide long-term loans to farmers and industrialists, provide loans and overdrafts to individuals and corporate bodies. The right answer is option C, to provide long-term loans to farmers and industrialists. Next question. This one, it says the cheapest source of funds available to a company is through via the sale of shares, lease financing, return profit, the sale of bonds. The right answer is option C, return profit. Okay, next question. It says in the flow of funds, the financial system is the main user of funds, the ultimate source of funds, the ultimate source of environment and consumption, the intermediary between sources and users of the fund. The right answer is option D, an intermediary between the sources and users of funds. Okay, next question is this one. It says a source of short-term finance to companies is where corporate tax, debenture, share capital, return any. The right answer is option B, debenture. Okay, next question. This one, it says an essential factor for evaluating the different sources of funds for a business is the ownership structure of the business concerned, decree establishing the business size and type of business, burden of cost and repayment. The right answer is option D, burden of cost and repayment. Next question. A public limited company can raise long-term loans through bank overdrafts, the capital market, discount houses, the money market. The right answer is option B, the money market. Okay, next question. Bank overdrafts as a short-term source of fund is where an overdrawn account granted to new open account, repayable after more than a year, a current liability. The right answer is option D, a current liability. This question. Sources of finance to a business include personal savings, shares, debentures, where bank overdraft, central bank loans, money from political parties, loan from International Monetary Fund. So the right answer to this question, sources of finance to a business includes personal savings, shares, debentures, and I think they're looking for an exception. So loan from this place can be included. So the exception here is bank overdraft. Okay. Next question is this one. It says from which of the following sources can partnership increase their capital? Mortgage, discharge of mortgage, grant from relation, admission of new partner, sale of share. Right answer is option C, admission of new partner. Next question. One of the major advantages of credit and thrift cooperative is that it can approach government for loan. There are no legal restrictions. Encouraging saving habits. Each member has a vote during meeting. The right answer is option C. It encourages saving habits. Next question. Which of the following is not a veritable source of fund to a public limited liability company? Advances and loan from banks, internally generated fund, government financing grant, fund from sale share. The right answer is option C. Okay, is not among government financial grants. The last question in this video, this one says the financial instrument for borrowing in which the collateral is usually more than the amount borrowed. This is a question. The right answer is option A, mortgage bond. So guys, this is basically like the problems involving source of finance for financing a business in your JAMB commerce. Practice with about 17. We practice with about 17 to 20 questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's click the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what the length of the video. If you seem to have any specific question asked regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. So ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on join button and getting information that help you to excel in exam like a JAMB and other exams with writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen below, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.